Well, here, service these boilers every year. These are triangle tube 399s. This one found bad. The original reason why I was out here is I had no pressure in the boiler, so it wouldn't start up. This one had a bad flame sensor. Flame rod is, I can just twist it. So it wasn't lighting up right. Then I came over to this boiler and I felt the door and it was hot. And I'm like, why is it hot? So I opened up the door and right there I could see flame. So it had flame shooting out there, and plus it's leaking at the weld. You can see right there, it's starting to leak at the weld. So this heat exchanger needs to be replaced on this triangle tube. 2009. So that will be a video of me replacing this heat exchanger on this boiler. We're in a church. And I also have to replace, had no pressure, so got to replace the pressure reducing valve, backflow preventer, and I got a bypass installed here, so I got water on it by bypassing it. So I'm gonna shut these off. No reason for them to be on. We're still September, end of September, but I'm gonna have to get this replaced pretty soon to get the gas shut off to both units. So that's a preview of what's to come. Triangle tube heat exchanger. It was installed in 09. Had a big boiler in here. They took that out and put these high efficiency ones in. Not a bad install. 2 years ago I replaced the temperature pressure valves, the vents. But that's it for this one. I will see you on the next one.